Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss 50 very important and previous questions asked in the DHS staff nurse examination from obstetric and gynecological nursing. First question: a disease caused by Treponema pallidum is A. Scabies, B. Syphilis, C. Hepatitis A, D. Leprosy. The answer is syphilis. Next question. The period from conception to birth is denoted as infancy, germinal, embryonic, prenatal. So the answer is prenatal period. Gonorrhea is highly infectious and dash. Easily cured, occurs very rarely, is limited to external genitalia, can produce sterility. The answer is can produce sterility. Immunity transferred to fetus from the mother through placenta is active natural immunity, active artificial immunity, passive natural immunity, passive artificial immunity. So it's a passive natural immunity. Fertilization usually occurs in the ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, vagina. The answer is fallopian tube. The most frequent side effect associated with the use of IUCD, intrauterine contraceptive devices, is ectopic pregnancy, expulsion of IUCD, rupture of uterus, excessive menstrual flow. The answer is excessive menstrual flow. It's the most common side effect. After ovulation has occurred, the ovum remains viable for 1 to 6 hours, 12 to 16 hours, 24 to 36 hours, 48 to 72 hours. The answer is 24 to 36 hours. First fetal movement felt by the mother is lightening, quickening, engagement, ballotment. The answer is quickening. Safest position for a woman in labor is with prolapsed cord is. A safest position for a woman in labor with prolapsed cord is supine, Fowler's, lithotomy, Trendelenburg. Here the head will compress the umbilical cord and cause compromise of circulation to the baby. So in order to prevent that, the safest position is Trendelenburg position. If the first day of a woman's last menstrual period LMP was July 22, the estimated date of childbirth would be April 15, April 29, May 5, May 14. So we will calculate this with Nagel's rule that 9 months and 7 days is added to the particular date. So the date would be April 29. Physiologic anemia during pregnancy as a result of physiological anemia during pregnancy is a result of decreased dietary intake of iron, increased plasma volume of mother, decreased erythropoiesis in pregnancy, increased demand of fetus. So the answer is increased plasma volume of mother. So there is a hemodilution happening in pregnancy which causes physiological anemia. A patient in active labor spontaneously ruptures membrane. The nurse should first monitor fetal heart rate, call the doctor, check vital signs, monitor contraction. So the answer is the nurse should monitor fetal heart rate first of all. Bleeding between menstrual period is called menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, dysmenorrhea, amenorrhea. The answer is metrorrhagia. So bleeding in between menstrual period is metrorrhagia. Pap smear test is done to diagnose CA breast, CA cervix, CA bladder, CA rectum. So the answer is CA cervix. Which of the following is a sign of toxemia in pregnancy? Low BP, high BP, low blood sugar, high blood sugar. So the answer is high BP. Intrauterine contraceptive devices are introduced postpartum at 7 weeks, 12 weeks, 6 months, 12 months. So the answer is 7 weeks. Which of the following is a barrier method of contraception? Oral pills, copper T, condoms, tubectomy. The answer is condoms. Anemia prophylaxis in pregnancy starts at the first month, second month, third month, fourth month. So it is given in the second trimester only. So that is from the third month onwards. Fundal height is at the Syphilis sternum at 28 weeks, 32 weeks, 36 weeks, 40 weeks. The answer is 36 weeks. Fertilization usually occurs in the ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, vagina. The answer is fallopian tube. The following hormone is necessary for the development of Graafian follicles: follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, progesterone, estrogen. So the answer is follicle stimulating hormone. Fundal height reaches umbilical line at 16 weeks, 20 weeks, 24 weeks, 28 weeks. The answer is 24 weeks. Increase in BP, edema, albuminuria are the sign of anemia, pre-eclamptic toxemia, placenta previa, missed abortion. Answer is pre-eclamptic toxemia. Presumptive sign of pregnancy is listed below except amenorrhea, morning sickness, fetal heart sound, breast change. So the answer is fetal heart sound. Human chorionic gonadotropin, that is HCG, is produced by thyroid, liver, placenta, fetus. The answer is placenta. The average duration of pregnancy is 270 days, 36 weeks, 280 days, 9 months. So the answer is 280 days, 9 months plus 7 days. That is 280 days is the average duration. High risk pregnancy includes the following except elderly preemie, PIH, healthy pregnant woman, malpresentations. So healthy pregnant woman is not a high risk category. Methergine is not given to the patient with pre-eclamptic toxemia, heart disease, placenta previa, diabetic mother. So the contraindication is heart disease. Methergine is contraindicated in heart disease. Anti-D immunoglobulins given to Rh negative mothers with excessive bleeding, AIDS, Rh positive baby, hypertension. The answer is Rh positive baby. The signs of separation of placenta includes the following except lengthening of cord, gush of blood, cricket ball like uterus, placenta inside the uterus. The answer is placenta inside the uterus. Advantages of breastfeeding are the following except natural, best food for baby, clean and sterile, available 24 hours, costly. So the answer is costly. It is not at all costly. The labor is called prolonged when labor exceeds more than 12 hours, 20 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours. Answer is 18 hours or more. In delivery, station of head is determined by the level of presenting part in relation with pelvic brim, ischial spine, cervix, vagina. The answer is ischial spine. So it is the reference area to consider the station of head. Normal duration of second stage of labor is 1 hour, half an hour, 10 minutes, 2 hours. The answer is 2 hours. Bandel's ring occurs in normal labor, twin delivery, obstructed labor, placenta previa. So the answer is obstructed labor. So in obstructed labor, there is a pathological constriction ring between the upper and lower segment of the uterus. The upper segment is constricted and lower segment is relaxed. In between there is a constriction ring formed, that is called Bandel's ring. The most common episiotomy is median, lateral, mediolateral, left lateral. The answer is mediolateral. Profuse menstrual flow during regular period is called metrorrhagia, menorrhagia, amenorrhea, polymenorrhea. The answer is menorrhagia. Quickening takes place between 10 to 16 weeks, 16 to 20 weeks, 20 to 24 weeks, after 24 weeks. The answer is 16 to 20 weeks. In the 5th month onwards, quickening starts. Weight of uterus is 30 gram, 60 gram, 90 gram, 120 gram. The answer is 60 gram. Volume of amniotic fluid at term is 500 ml, 750 ml, 1000 ml, 1250 ml. Answer is 1000 ml. Maternal blood serum is examined for alpha fetoprotein to detect inborn errors of metabolism, spina bifida, Rh hemolytic disease, hemophilia. The answer is spina bifida. Bleeding due to premature separation of abnormally situated placenta is called placenta previa, incidental hemorrhage, postpartum hemorrhage, abruptio placenta. The answer is abruptio placenta. Characteristic hormone of placenta is estrogen, chorionic gonadotropin, corticotropin, oxytocin. The answer is chorionic gonadotropin, HCG. Hormone that helps to confirm pregnancy is same, it is HCG. Covalent uterus covalent uterus occurs in placenta previa, placental abruption, DIC, iridotypiform mole. The answer is placental abruption. Dash is an obstetric emergency. Cord presentation, involution of the uterus, occipito-posterior position, inversion of the uterus. The answer is inversion of the uterus. All others are not obstetric emergencies. Spalding sign, very important in X-ray indicates. Spalding sign in X-ray indicates IUGR, preterm pregnancy, intrauterine death, postterm pregnancy. The answer is intrauterine death. Pre-induction assessment score is Bishop score, Apgar score, Latch score, CRICE. The answer is Bishop score. Which of the following is a complication of hyperemesis gravidarum? Eclampsia, miscarriage, Wernicke's encephalopathy, vesicular mole. The answer is Wernicke's encephalopathy. A formula to calculate EDC, expected date of confinement. Haas's rule, Young's rule, Clark's rule, Nagel's rule. The answer is Nagel's rule. So that's all about the most important and previously asked 50 questions in DHS examinations. So we will be updated with new set of questions. If you have not subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe, share with your friends, and also study well. All the best.